Hello everyone. To install PearOS in VMware, first download its ISO from its website or from the link in description. Now open VMware and create a new virtual machine. Select the ISO, then next. Increase hardware specification for better performance and start the machine. Looks really good. We can use it like this, or to install it, select Install PearOS Monterey. Fill details and installation will start. After installation, press enter and PearOS is successfully installed in VMware. PearOS is a Linux operating system but has a skin of Mac. To know more about it, check out my PearOS video. See you in the next one.